I get a flurry of emails first thing in the morning, dealing with all sorts of issues, depot levels. Thankfully I've got a team behind me that take a lot of that out of the equation. I'm going into the depots and going around and see what their local issues are, identifying any training needs, any issues with drivers, and identifying ways out and solutions to keep the vehicles operational in a cost-effective manner. We are one of the leading suppliers of data destruction services in the UK. We operate out of 13 depots nationally. We operate 250 vehicles, 300 drivers, over 500 staff in total. We do shred approximately 100,000 tonnes of paper on an annual basis, and that's going up. As a service provider to our own customers, internal and external, we have a sincere mantra of integrity, trust, teamwork, and making sure we're really pushing the boundaries to give an excellent customer service. So we're looking for a supplier to work with us within those boundaries to help us deliver a safe, efficient fleet within the confines of day-to-day operations, so we can continue to deliver the service outside to our own customers. Historically, Driver CPC training was just attend, do the course, and you're done. Where now, I think everybody in the industry realises that's not really adequate going forward. So to me, it's keen that we can deliver training specific to what our role entitles out in the industry, so we can deliver meaningful training to drivers where they can take something from it. And we were initially looking at Driver CPC training on a bespoke regional by regional basis, but it wasn't very suitable for our operation, so we looked for a supplier in Written Fleet Source that could offer us a nationwide agreement where we could sit down, discuss our needs, and Fleet Source as a whole has actually gone through and then planned it, liaised with us, and are delivering the service feeding back afterwards, which is allowing us to concentrate on day-to-day issues. Operating a busy fleet the way we do, I need to be able to hand over the day-to-day control of the CPC deliverance to a company that can take it away from me. Fleet Source will really give me the opportunity to step away, manage day-to-day operations, and feedback every week on where we are with our driving training programme. I would actually recommend Fleet Source entirely, because the whole professional aspect of the deliverance of initial quotes, initial discussions and planning to the deliverance of the courses on a regular basis around the country have actually proven very beneficial for us as a business.